how to hide or unhide comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you want to hide or unhide comments on Instagram, then make sure that you can only hide and unhide the comments on your post and not be able to hide or unhide comments on someone else's post. So go ahead and open your post that you want to hide or unhide comments from, and now tap on the comment option you see there, and with this you will see the hide option. So tap on the hide option if you want to hide the comments, and if you want to unhide the comments, then you will see the option for see hidden comments at the bottom of the comment interface. So tap on the see hidden comments option you see there, and you will be able to see all the comments that you have hidden. So tap on the unhide option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on unhide again, and with this the comment will be unhidden. So this was about how you can hide or unhide comments on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.